Roll sound. Sound rolling.
The Nova 2 has timecode in and out via two BNC connectors on the left-hand side. To access the timecode menu, press and hold the bank key. Pressing F8 next page will take you to the timecode setup page. The first setting is timecode mode. Options are free run. The timecode starts from the preset timecode and runs continuously. How to set the preset timecode. Go back to the timecode page and press F11, enter. Using the rotary knob, choose between timecode and user bits. Pressing the knob down will highlight the 8-digit option. Moving the rotary menu button, you can set the cursor on where you need to change the value. Use the keys 1 to 5, the PFL keys, for digits 1 to 5, F6 to F9 for digits 6 to 9, and F10 for digit 0. As you press the last digit, you will set your timecode. For example, 12:34:56:50 as you press F10 0. The timecode will be set from that moment on. If you don't need to change the last digit, press the rotary knob to start the timecode. Use the same process for user bits. Rec run. The preset timecode will run while you are in record and will stop when you end record. CJAM, continuous jam, timecode, and user bits. CJAM TC, continuous jam, timecode only. CJAM UB, continuous jam, user bits only. Next, set your frame rate according to your project. TC displayed is set to either card or generator. Card mode shows the timecode from the card, and generator mode will show timecode from the Nova internal generator. For TC output, BNC out, you choose card or generator. Card mode reads the timecode from the card, and generator mode will read from the Nova internal generator. Increment user bits, on or off. On will increase the user bit by 1 every time you press record. Off, user bits is unaffected. User bit date style, US or EU. Choose which is best for your project. Auto date jam, on or off. On will automatically jam the user bits from the recorder's internal date every time you boot the recorder. Off, user bits is unaffected. Set the Nova's internal clock and calendar here. From this page, F6 will display the slate timecode and any F keys will flip it. From the timecode setup page, you can press either next page F8 or the back key to get into the timecode jam page. The green digits are the timecode being received by the Nova, and the blue digits are the timecode being generated by the recorder. Press F6 to jam the Nova timecode from an external source, or press F7 to jam from the Nova's internal clock. Press F9 to jam user bits from an external source, and press F10 to jam user bits from Nova's internal calendar. Press back until you reach the home page. That's it for timecode.